Let me show you a close-up view of what we would do when we're switching from the high dry 40x objective to the oil immersion objective instead. So right now this microscope is set up on the high dry 40x objective, and we're getting ready to move to oil immersion. And as I said before, when we're going to switch to oil immersion, we move the turret, the nose piece here, halfway, so that we have a space in between the high dry objective and the oil immersion objective. Then we're going to be using our immersion oil here, and we're going to take the dropper out, and we're going to dab a little drop of oil right there on the slide. That's all you need to be able to switch this to oil immersion. And as we do so, we're going to then rotate the nose piece so that the oil immersion lens clicks into place. Once it does click into place there, now all you would need to do is adjust your fine focus, perhaps your light level, and then your contrast by opening or closing your diaphragm here to get the light level and to get the right contrast that you want to be able to see your sample. Again, as a warning, once we've started using oil immersion, we cannot move this back to the 40x objective. That is not what you want to do. If I lose my subject here, instead of going back to the 40x objective and trying to find it there, I actually have to go back to the scanning objective, the 4x instead, try and adjust my focus to be able to find my subject once more. I can then rotate up to the next higher magnification, up to the 10x objective, the low power, and be able to get a fine focus on find my subject there. Once I do not click through using the 40x objective here, because this will damage this lens. So once I get it refocused again, we go back to the scanning objective, and then back to oil immersion and adjusting our fine focus. Hopefully we will be able to have our subject once again. So I will keep reminding you this the entire semester, to never ever, once you have oil on your slides, go back to the 40x objective. So that's something that both I and the tutors will be looking for to make sure that we keep these microscopes safe.